Hey everyone, this is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and I'm back with another home tour. And this is in the prestige Rancho Sahuarita. And I'm super excited about this one because this is a builder that's come back in the market here after 2 years and started building homes once again. And this is Lennar Homes. And I'm excited about this one because this is one of my favorite all-time model plans here. This is the one with the Gen X next suite home. So this is the Julian model plan. It's 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and just an absolutely gorgeous beauty. Now, if this is your first time in my channel, I just want to stop right there and say welcome. Again, my name is Vanessa Paz, your Tucson real estate agent, and really your resource here for all things Southern Arizona. Whether you're buying, selling, investing, or relocating, I'm here to support you and help you along the way. Now, feel free to like and subscribe. Write a comment down below. Let us know what needs that you have in the market, and I'll be happy to reach out and help. We can get face-to-face and really talk about what it is that you're looking for and how we can support you. Now, other than that, let's go ahead and take a look at the home. This property tour is an exciting one for me because I'm a huge fan of Lennar's Next Generation Suite. And let's get into the details. So this home is 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and 2,685 square feet. This home is just massive because you have a loft upstairs with the 3 bedrooms, and you have the Next Generation Suite, which consists of its own private entrance on the side of the home. It has a living room, kitchenette, bedroom, bathroom, and a laundry. You can have friends and family over and they'll basically have their own separate home. If you've been shopping around and you can't find something you like, this might be the perfect builder to look into because Lennar hasn't been actively building homes in Sahuarita for about 2 years since their last project. And now they're having their grand opening, so you're gonna see brand new model plans that you haven't seen in the area for a while. Always feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and if you'll be looking at a new builder home in Southern Arizona, feel free to contact me so I can represent you along the way. Now, let's continue the tour and welcome to your new home. so much for watching this video. Click on the video to the left to see a new video suggested by me. Make sure to follow me on social media and subscribe to this channel, which really supports me in creating more content like this one. Until next time.